Kotoko to take the advantage. Simple things, not diamonds and pearls. My girl Natalia, she lives in Italia. She doesn't love my regalia. I wanna take her to Romania, maybe take her to Nigeria. She doesn't like them diamonds and pearls. She loves all the simple things in the world. She's not a fan of diamonds and pearls. She's all about the simple things in the world. She's not a fan of diamonds and pearls. She loves all the simple things in the world. She's not a fan of diamonds and pearls. She's all about the simple things in the world.
Booze from around the MOMO Stadium to add to the pressure for Amor. Got a step. Handle the pressure well. Handle the pressure superbly. The Amor.
Hoya Chalo, Kaiser Chiefs. One dile tuba kena rotam kwilio. One dile tuba. Wawe koma tuba kwilio. Chiefs. Echa de secondo sa walika lika jadino. Baba Fosa se tabute patkomasa. Asante
Doesn't love my
Kotoko.
regalia. Wants
Ano
to
mulele
take her
kama
to
ukitaka nipale.
Romania.
Awakita wa
Maybe
sinoleta.
take her to Nigeria.
Awa sinoleta kamera kwilio.
Her mom
Ona sa
lives
sigama
in
takwantele pilero
Bulgaria,
one dile tuba.
not Algeria.
Ona sa sigama
She
ta one dile
loves
tuba.
simple things, not diamonds and pearls. My girl Natalia,
Akaulo kaitira leta pilero nika wanale la kamera Mohammed.
she doesn't love
So
my
the Siri.
regalia.
Jipe de
I
topa
wanna
sa
take her
Asante
to
Kotoko.
Romania,
Yele
maybe take her
mwekani
to
chi. Kotoko
Nigeria.
ya kota ya wana.
Well, they look for the real advantage now. You Asante Kotoko.
Her mom lives in Bulgaria,
Amor.
not Algeria. She loves simple
61
things,
in
not
favor of Kotoko.
diamonds
Amor! Oh,
and pearls.
done right.
She doesn't like them diamonds and pearls.
Oh, keep it. That's right.
She
Still
loves
better
all
in
the
the end.
simple things in the
Chiefs
world.
may very well have a lifeline. A chance to turn it
She's
all
not a
around here.
fan of diamonds and pearls.
Looking for the bottom corner.
She's
Very
all
similar
about the
to the
simple
penalty taken
things in
earlier
the
by
world.
Amikau, where he rested within the 90 minutes.
Chiefs. Jalo baye segoro batare segole kalika jadino. Hoya Chalo tutuze yo kutem kilente.
Diamonds and
Mon
pearls.
motame komo kama jabo beri aita ko jale panchakal bako choma de sini.
Things in
Auta ba kanya seo kota tana le sego mona kunyi.
She's not a fan
Oliver Lam
of
Jodai.
diamonds and pearls.
Jordan Aguel. Kiene Kosarusu. Adabona.
Things in the world.
Atebare panenka. Katele pale kemone manda masango pale pale mutsabe ko wanta. Okila dira seo katala lola no pan. Manda masango. Hompier dira chala kemtutuzi. Panenka. Aita be mamole soye. Anu panenka to Asante Kotoko.
Great dance. Oh, then the kind of teeth bench. Now, there's Asieri, the 22-year-old.
My girl Natalia lives in Italia.
Once again, according to the referee, that
Doesn't
may
love my
add to the nerves
regalia.
here
Wants to
for
take her
Patrick.
to Romania. Maybe take her to Nigeria.
last one. Need to convert this.
Her mom lives in Bulgaria,
Yeah, denied by Peterson.
not Algeria. She loves simple things, not diamonds and pearls. My girl Natalia,
So
she lives in Italia. She doesn't love my regalia. I wanna take her to Romania, maybe take her to Nigeria. Her mom lives in Bulgaria, not
Oya chalo
Algeria.
kafa sa Kaiser
She
chips.
loves simple things,
Vamos
not
a Yabone.
diamonds and pearls. She doesn't like them diamonds and pearls.
Kaiser chips.
She loves all the
Vamos a
simple
Yabone.
things in the world.
Aiden McKenty kene vamos a Kileo.
She's not a fan of
Aiden
diamonds
McKenty
and
kene vamos a Kileo.
pearls.
Animal McKenty.
She's all
Vamos a
for the
tirar la
simple
cámara.
things in the world.
Avanzire esa cámara. Chips, para más lo meto para matar todos los que están feliz. Tela, se todos los que están private. Con courage.
She's not a fan of
Ande tiro la
diamonds and
guiseo.
pearls.
Animal Asante Kotoko.
She loves all the simple things in the
Tough day
world.
here. When Chiefs come to the way from Asante Kotoko, how can Asante Kotoko pull away from Kaiser Chiefs? They don't play no in the shootout. Most of the time, they have to take the advantage and both teams be goalkeepers at their very best. So, they missed the last two. They've got to go. And they pay this. Oh, what a save from Peterson! Keeper's dead. Into the shootout. He's moving early. There's a protest here from the Yaganese against Brendan Peterson. Mama camera. See if you have a lot to say. And Sue's got a lot to say. Oh, in this case, O'Neill, I beg your
My
pardon.
girl Natalia lives in Italia.
There is
Doesn't
one
love my
penalty taken here for
regalia.
Kaiser Chiefs
Wants to
to
take her
convert.
to Romania.
And,
Maybe take her to Nigeria.
Well, window thing, if they do convert, I do suspect the officials
Her mom
and the
lives in
miscounted.
Bulgaria,
There's still
not
camera. They say the keeper was
Algeria.
off his line here.
She loves simple
They say Brendan
things, not
Peterson, and gets his
diamonds
line.
and pearls. My girl
Chiefs on the
Natalia,
chance to see it.
she lives in Italia. She doesn't love
Waterani
my
kete ya
regalia.
mutaka changanyeza.
I wanna take her to
Arabone,
Romania,
kama kama
maybe
ikatile.
take her to Nigeria.
Noma kachile mulikotenga Brendan Peterson.
Her mom lives in
Onyebeke warutile
Bulgaria,
pela kanako Brendan Peterson.
not Algeria.
Vamos a mutano mbepela batente kopano. Oya chalo kule moni. Pano sai.
Doesn't like them
Moni
diamonds
pano
and
sai.
pearls.
Chiefs. Kile timega samono wagata na Toyota Cup.
Simple things in the world.
Abano sai Kaiser Chiefs kile timega. Nase chana sa Toyota. Arabone pule moni. Arabone pule moni. Oya kwa ne pule. Avanti rolata. Matevare siamo e te diragare kana kuningwe. Arabati le pere kanako. Matara no wache Brendan Peterson. Ano sache Martelenoa. Metanona. Yekawala la Mohamed Kamara. Usina le sanno yeo. Shootout.
Lovely reactions. Now, here's Johnson. Sudden death by the away. And Johnson up against Peterson. He left his line, by the way, in the last. They struggled in the last league in as far as conversions. But Johnson get them back to scoring ways. The answer is yes, sends the keeper the wrong way. And immediately the pendulum swings over the Kaiser Chiefs in the way of pressure, real pressure. Now it's not dead. They have to convert to stay in at Kaiser Chiefs.
My girl
Nicely done. Get
Natalia
to school.
lives in Italia. Doesn't
Makanete Hugainusa, Hoya Miguel Inacio.
And who missed the penalty.
Hoya Chalo Inacio
She
Mokilineo.
loves simple things, not diamonds.
Hoya Chalo Inacio
My girl
Mokilineo.
Natalia,
Makanete Abwa Bakomara Wajanichi.
she doesn't
Ako
love
Kelele Boni
money,
Mani Kopele, Babani Kopele Kajana. Get your pasta, Asante Kotoko.
Nigeria.
Arbana Miguel. Ole Makana Chalo the camera. Why? Walk it up! I want to see the lights. Look at all the movie. Apos a penalty. Wala tatiga kumpieno. Mr. Teraboni. Chips. Yala Tegela. Inacio Miguel.
She doesn't like
Apos a penalty. Look at all the movie. Wasa Mekongo. Me kompedile Chopasa. Asante Kotoko. Pelachaka. Chopasa. Young Africans. Adi le moja tete de pitilenga. Kakwa teme. Sidere wase o Chopasa.
She's all
Asante
about the
Kotoko.
simple
3.